I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom vibration patterns on your iPhone and then assign them to specific contacts. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. So first off, open your phone app and your contacts, and let's just go to a specific contact. Tap Edit in the top right-hand corner, then scroll down and tap Ringtone. Here we're going to tap on Haptics. Then we're going to scroll down and tap Create New Vibration. Now here you're going to tap to record a new vibration pattern. So let's go and give this an example. So I just did so you can press play to feel that vibration if you'd like, and you can click record to record again, or you can click save on the top right, and you can name this whatever you'd like. Once you're finished, click save, and then you can select that as your custom vibration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.